And as you've heard, the projected path takes Idalia north of Cedar Key, but that coastal city may see some of the worst impacts from the storm surge and the winds. That's where Jeff Patterson joins us live tonight, hearing from multiple business owners out there. Hi, Jeff.
Good evening, Josh. Cedar Key is just a beautiful little community that sticks out into the Gulf of Mexico. All of these businesses are closed right now. The owners have boarded up. They've gotten off of the island. I can tell you I have been on Cedar Key for some pretty big storms before, notably Hurricane Hermine in 2016, Hurricane Elsa in 2021, and those storms caused significant flooding damage in this downtown area. But people I've talked to today are even more concerned about this storm.
In downtown Cedar Key today, people spent their day getting ready, loading kitchen equipment and essentials onto trailers to take out of town. Jordan Keaton, the owner of 83 West, spent his day preparing his business for the approaching storm.
Walk me through it. Show me what you've done here.
So basically the electronics that are going to be hard to move, we're trying to keep those from splashes and, getting hit by too much water.
Keaton and his employees moved anything that can move upstairs. They covered electronics with plastic.
This is pretty creative. This is actually a very good solution that I haven't seen before. Your electrical panel here, your television set here, you've done that. I just saw one of your folks removing the taps from the kegs. You've removed everything from down here.
Yeah, so everything comes out of the first floor. We had a real bad storm with Hurricane Hermine years ago, and that came up probably about your chest height.
Hurricane Hermine flooded downtown Cedar Key. Keaton tried to build his business to withstand that kind of storm.
All the drywall was taken out and everything's been put in with Duroc. Everything is made to get wet.
Now he just hopes all of this will still be here when he returns after the storm.
We're taking it seriously. Hermine did an extreme amount of damage, and that was, just a Cat 1 storm.
He was right about Hermine. I can remember walking not too far from here in my hip waders, and the storm surge was about here. There is higher ground to retreat to if the storm surge gets very serious tonight. Of course, we're hoping it doesn't quite get to that point here. Live in Cedar Key, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.